So guys, nabili na namin yung yung para sa buhok ko.
I gotta go back.
It's whatever. So I get what is it called? Remington Hydra Lux. Itatry ko siya mamaya pag uwi or baka bukas na. Weird. Ano ba to? Okay. Parang may weird sa camera. But anyway, itatry ko siya and binili namin siya dito sa Sweden ng 599. Hindi ko alam magkano siya sa Denmark, pero I think it's whatever. I got it now. I wanna use it. I will try it. Maybe it will work for me. And right now we are in Sweden, Helsingborg, and we're gonna go to the Centrum and let's see. We're gonna roam around before kami uuwi. Maybe sa coffee shop, ganyan. Sa oh, there's a lot of Asian store here. What is that building? It's so big. Wow.
En nu skal jeg lige så finde et sted at parkere.
Wow, ang ganda naman, oy. Casual ang ang style, char. Pretty. Pretty. And pretty. I don't know, oy. Look at the place. I just need to. So, nasa na tayo guys? Nasa Sweden. Lakad-lakad muna tayo. It's our first time. Both me.
It's not our first time. We've been up in that castle.
Really?
Remember? Yeah.
I don't remember.
Oh, look here.
Yeah, because it's been a long
Yeah,
time.
it's been a long
So, it's like first time. Okay, yun guys. Muna tayo. Pa-view ko din sa inyo. Pa-view ko din sa inyo. There you go. There. What's kalbihin?
I don't know.
Are you cold?
No.
Ganda naman dito pala, oy. So pretty. Yeah, lakad-lakad muna kami, hanap ng makakainan. And yeah, first time namin dito maglakad-lakad actually. So, yun. Wala masyadong tao kasi 6 na ng gabi.
Tack för att du lyssnar på Mix Megapol, Myra Granbergs.
Only loved it because
Lakad-lakad pa rin kami, guys.
it's because
Ang ginaw.
you can see they're closing now. But,
Are they?
Yeah. It's because it's lunchtime. They've like
Indian restaurant tayo ngayon, guys. Let's just see. Ito na siya. Meron palang ganito. There. Yan yung in-order namin, guys. There you go. And then, what was it called? Samosa? Yeah, we ordered samosa na tomato soup. So, Martin, where are we?
og lige så dyrt som en steak.
Synes du? Okay, synes du det er billigt? Okay, vel, vi kan altid spise steak, når vi er hjemme. Ikke?
Det er rigtigt.
Men indisk, vi kan ikke lave indisk nu. Så det er god experience.
Correcto.
So how do you feel gonna eat?
I feel good. I feel so good.
How many times have you been here?
In Helsingborg,
Yeah.
many times.
What did you do? Just visiting friends or business or
Not
concert?
just roaming around, just so easy when we were young, taking the train up, just take the ferry over and roam around. Go home.
I think it's my second time here. Don't you think? Yeah. Guys, Indian yung napili namin kainan. And then, mura siya. And we were like confused if we're gonna take Indian or steak house, ganyan. Pero, sa steak naman kasi, lagi naman namin yan nakakain sa Denmark. So, try natin ng India. Mukhang masarap naman. Pero right now, dahil sobrang aga, kami lang dalawa dito. Ano na guys, it's 6 in the evening, so medyo maaga siya. And then right after this, kain-kain, uwi na kami ng Denmark and let's see. Pero ano daw, non-stop daw yung biyahe from here to Denmark. So it's fine. At tapos yung work ko tomorrow is 12 noon, so may panahon na makatulog. Excited na ako. Gutom actually ako. Samosa daw. Ay, you will. Ito siya guys. See? Sarap niya. Yan yung order ko. Nakalimutan. So guys, yan yung order ko. Nakalimutan ko ng pangalan. And then the rice. Yumsy. Martin's order there. Apparently, ano yan? Super spicy. Mine is mild lang. Then, dyan siya. Busy kumakain.
Apparently when you order spicy, you get a glass and water also.
Perfect. And then, ito sa akin, hindi ko pa natapos but it really tastes so good. So, may pan, pamandi ay guys. Oh, pan, yumsy. Guys, kain na tayo guys. As in, ang sarap niya, promise. Really good. Ito na yung after effect. Guys, ginabi. Oh, Martin there. Guys, ginabi na talaga kami, oy. Yung kinain namin guys, sa Indian kami kumain, Indian restaurant. Sobrang talkative ng ng owner doon. Parang 1.5 oras, 1.5 hour ata kaming nag-usap-usap doon. Sinabi na yung kanyang history of life, ganyan. So, busog na busog kami. Ginabi na, 8 ng gabi. And papunta kami sa sasakyan. And then after, we're gonna take the ferry. And then back na sa Denmark. Hi, dog.
Hi there.
They're into lights here. Aren't they, dong?
It's because of the Ukraine thing.
Oh, yeah.
But it's also their own color side.